I'm Tom Farrell from Billion Dollar BMX, and this is my back check. It's a We the People Trust 2010, in red obviously. First I have Shadow Barons, Odyssey Amros keyboard grips, just stock bars, I like Demolition sticker, Odyssey mono lever, Odyssey G3 upper gyro, Stone shithole gyro plate, Odyssey G3 detangler, volume gyro tabs, Odyssey G3 lower cable, Odyssey hanger thingy, Odyssey Evo 2 brakes, salt headset, salt stem, salt headset, salt forks, pretty good forks for stock, salt front wheel, and a pitch raw tyre. It's a We the People Trust 2010 frame. Salt seat post and We the People seat. I don't want to have a go at making my own seat. Salt cranks, a clap, plaza pedals, or laser pedals, whatever they're called. Odyssey $1 million sprocket. I have no idea what the chain is. It's just a crappy one, I think. Primo, the wall, back tyre, Odyssey Hazard light, and the KHE, Federal KHE 3 coaster, round drive.